Hey y'all, we're fixing to hit another harvest host up here in Amarillo, Texas. So definitely stay tuned and check it out with us. So we're here at Shark Beach Burgers. Like I say, the camper is parked right behind this building right here. Now this is a little event center that's tied on to Shark Beach Burgers. But let's go inside and I'll show you up where all the fun is. All right, so this is part of Shark Beach. Now a little bit of history on Shark Beach. It's been open for about 4 years. The owner, Brian, is amazing, super nice guy, great guy to talk to. He wanted to bring a little bit of South Pardre Island from South Texas up here to the Texas Panhandle. So he has trucked in over 5 acres worth of South Pardre Island sand up here to the Texas Panhandle. All right, you see the highway right here behind me? The good thing about it, being at this harvest host, it's behind that building. It really wasn't that bad. The highway noise really didn't bother us, but just heads up in advance. All right, another good thing about this place is it's Shark Beach Burgers. So you can come up here, you can get burgers, all kinds of food and stuff. Mostly burgers though. I think they have some chicken sandwiches and stuff like that. You can come around back here. They have this is actually a drive-through, so you can drive through and order food and go. Just a heads up that if you do stay here, and they have lots of live entertainment. They have where the girls are playing right now. They actually had a live band up there last night. It was really good. Tonight they are having a Eagles tribute band tonight. Wish we could stay for that one, but we're gonna go hit up another harvest host this afternoon. Whenever you're here, you'll see random blondes standing over here on their phone. Yeah, she's hanging out with some guy with no feet.
Oh, that's a deal breaker. Just kidding.
But like I say, they've got all of this sand. Like I say, they come in and they'll groom it and everything, clean it all after every night. But last night they had all kinds of like camping chairs set up and just people just hanging out, enjoying the live music. So I will tell you that the live music usually goes on to about 11:30 midnight, and you can hear it from the camper. Wasn't super bad. We had the air conditioners and the generator going. So they also, like the Eagles tribute band concert, it's going to be back here, and you can see they've got all these spools and all these tables set up. Again, more sand. But you've got 2 bars. They have these bars both set up, and then they also have this one open they run back and forth. So if you want food and you're sitting out here, they'll bring the food to you out here. They also have cornhole games. They had a couple other like horseshoes and stuff. But you've also got beach volleyball pits back in the back over here. This, like I say, this sand is from South Pardre Island. That's why it's called Shark Beach. Now, most of the concerts that they have here are free. A few of them, like the one tonight, you have to get tickets for. Otherwise, you end up with too many people here and everything. But you can reserve tables. So, like Rachel Hills, that's her table. But they have these pools, and like I say, all these camp chairs, those are all provided. You don't even have to bring your own out of your camper. They've also got actual, not porta potties, but trailer bathrooms. I guess that's what you call them. Kind of a portable potty, but way better than just your standard porta potty. Let's go see what Nicole and the girls thinks. So I'll post up some video from last night. Nicole she didn't get to hang out with us because Lila had an upset tummy. So I got to sit out here with my mom and my sister and just had a good time, just relaxing, watching. Mom even made sand angels over here somewhere. So let's see what Nicole has to say. I know you didn't get to enjoy the fun last night.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it sounded like it was a blast. But this is it's such a cool place just to tuck in and hang out. There's some good photo ops out here, actually. All these little metal, like this big, not sure what that is, but it's really cool. There's a lot of these around the property. There's one of those scary fish with the lights on the front.
Oh, anglerfish.
Yes.
I think that's what it's called.
And there's lots of little crabs. There's some really cool decor around here that you'll miss it if you're not paying attention, but there's some really cute stuff. There's a peace sign over there with this guy, and it's just like the atmosphere is really cool. It's something that you don't see in the panhandle of Texas, so if you're coming through here, definitely stop. It's a lot of fun, and Brian is like, couldn't be nicer. Like, he's great, very accommodating, and just kind of come and go as you please, and it's all good. So yeah, it's great. I mean,
what did you think about the food?
The burgers were really good. That's all I ate. I just had a burger. So, but it was a really good burger. So, definitely recommend the burgers.
The tots were amazing.
Yeah.
Good tots.
Good tots. I think I did have a couple of tots, actually. I stole from
The onion rings were good.
Yeah. So, yeah, but I mean, it's burgers and tots and cheese curds and
a little bit of everything. I'll post a menu of it. I'll definitely add links to the website and stuff. And like I said, this is a great harvest host. And most harvest hosts, you're 1 day max. Some authorized 2 days. Brian told us, if you want to stay here for 3 days, just hang out for 3 days.
But obviously check with him first.
Yes.
You can't just come in assuming that that's the case.
Yes.
They could be busy or have more
and
coming in.
Yeah,
but.
and because if they've got a big concert going on like they've got going on tonight, they may have somebody come in.
Plus, it's Labor Day weekend, so I think a lot of people are in their spots where they want to be for the weekend. So I think that had something to do with it for us being on the same multiple nights. But
so Dustin and Uncle Chi-Chi are up in Eagle's Nest, enjoying the 37 degrees. So
I mean, I'm a little jealous of that, I guess. I'm ready for some mountain air, but this is really cool. We couldn't have asked for a better spot.
Yep, a lot of fun.